watching the kitties. What are they doing? Kind of dark to get on this camera what they're doing up there. Sphinky's ear is just in full force right now.
No.
Are they about to fight across? Yeah, they can't do that. They're in a showdown up there.
Cat wars. Who's king of the mountain?
Sphinky, tell them this is boring. They need to start fighting again. That's right. Tell him, Sphinky. Tell him. Sphinky, climb up there and pick which one tastes best. I bet it's chewy.
It's enough.
Sphinky, you're just throwing those barks at him. It's like you're just flinging lightning bolts of bark at him.